MSN Messenger in Delphi. How to work with the MSN Messenger protocol in Delphi. This article is severely outdated and will be updated soon. This is an implementation of the MSN Messenger protocol in Delphi. It isn't complete, and in order to build it you will need the WSocket package. Most of what is presented here is a part of the specification, still not enough to even make a stripped-down MSN Messenger clone. The work you see here has its todos, most due to the fact that I am simply new to sockets programming. This article is based on works of venkydude MSN article and an old version of KMerlin, an open-source MSN Messenger clone for Linux. This is the second article I write on instant messaging, the first one about the Yahoo protocol, something which I have not been able to complete due to time constraints. Lot of work. I am planning in updating this article as soon as possible. Global todo, implement local todos, clean up, extend unit MSN Messenger, interface uses WSocket, MD5, classes, sysutils, type todos equals, us online, / you are online us busy, / actually busy us brb, / be right back us away, / away us on phone, / on phone us lunch, / lunch us hidden, / hidden us offline / offline, TMSN Messenger equals class, T component, private F connected, boolean, username, string, F password, string, F friendly username, string, flog, T strings, F friendly name change, T notify event, F state, todos state, function get host, string, procedure set host, const value, string, function get port, string, procedure set port, const value, string, procedure set username, const value, string, procedure set password, const value, string. Function get friendly username, string, procedure set friendly username, const value, string, procedure set state, const value, todos state, protected F socket, TWSocket, F trial ID, integer, procedure send ver, procedure receive syn, procedure socket write, const a string, string, procedure log write, const data, string, procedure process command, const acom string, procedure socket disconnect, sender, t-object, error, word, procedure socket data available, sender, t-object, error, word, procedure. Socket connect, sender, t-object, error, word, procedure trigger friendly name change, dynamic, public constructor create, a owner, t component, override, destructor destroy, override, procedure login, procedure log off, published property host, string read get host write set host, property port, string read get port write set port, property username, string read username write set username, property password, string read password write set password, property friendly username, string read get friendly username write set friendly username, property connected, boolean read connected, property log, t strings read flog write flog, property friendly name change, t notify event read friendly name change write friendly name change, property status, tusser state read state write set state, and implementation uses Windows, const real state, array tusser state of string equals, change %dnln, change %dbsy, change %dbrb, change %dawy, change %dphn, change %dlun, change %dhdn, change %dfln, type. Char set equals set of char, function utf8 to ANSI, x, string ANSI string, function that receives utf8 string and converts to ANSI string var I, integer, b1, b2, byte, begin result equals x, I equals 1, while I do begin if, ord, result I, and $80, 0 then begin b1 equals ord, result I, b2 equals ord, result I plus 1, if, b1 and $f0, $C0 then result I equals number 128 else begin result I equals CHR, B1 SHL6, or, B2 and $3F, delete, result, I plus 1, 1, and, inc. I, and, function ANSI to UTF-8, x, ANSI string. String, function that receives ANSI string and converts to UTF-8 string var I, integer, b1, b2, byte, begin result equals x, for I equals length, result, down to 1 do if result I equals number 127 then begin b1 equals $C0 or, ord, result I, shore 6, b2 equals $80 or, ord, result I, and $3F, result I equals chr, b1, insert, chr, b2, result, I plus 1, and, function extract word, an integer s, string, word delims char set string, var ij word, count integer, slen integer, begin count equals 0, I equals 1, result equals slen equals length, s, while I do begin prescoke autolovus while, I and, si in word delims, doink, I, ni li na can see retes, budnalizenzakatek slova if I then ink, count, j equals I, a z j e konik slova while, j and not, sj in word delims, doink, j li toto nte slovo, velas ho na vistup if count equals n then begin result equals copy, siji, exit end, I equals j, and, while end, function word at, const text, string, position, integer, string, begin result equals, extract word, position, text, and, MSN Messenger constructor MSN Messenger dot create, a owner, t component, begin inherited create, a owner, fsocket equals twsocket dot create, self, fsocket dot address equals messenger dot hotmail dot com, fsocket dot port equals 1863, fsocket dot proto equals tcp, fsocket dot on session connected equals socket connect, fsocket dot on session closed equals socket disconnect, fsocket dot on data available equals socket data available, fconnected equals false, and destructor MSN Messenger dot destroy, begin fsocket dot free, fsocket equals nil, inherited destroy, and function MSN Messenger dot get friendly username, string, begin if not f connected then result equals f friendly username, and function MSN Messenger dot get host, string, begin result equals fsocket dot address, and function MSN Messenger dot get port, string, begin result equals fsocket dot port, and procedure MSN Messenger dot login, begin fsocket dot connect, and procedure MSN Messenger dot log off, begin end, procedure MSN Messenger dot log write, const data, string, begin if assigned, flog, then flog dot add, data, and Process command here is akin to a window proc. Here we process all kind of info sent from the server. As of now it is if full of ifs. Perhaps if I have some spare time we'll turn this into a case todo, clean this procedure mess up todo, add more commands procedure MSN Messenger process command, var tmp, string, hash, string, begin tmp equals word at, command, 1, if tmp equals ver then socket right, inf%d, if tmp equals inf then socket right, usr%dmd5 plus username, if tmp equals usr then begin if word at, command, 4, equals s then begin hash equals word at, command, 5, delete, hash, pos, hashtag 13 hashtag 10, hash, length, hash equals strmd5, hash plus password, socket right, usr%dmd5s plus lowercase, hash, and else begin friendly username equals word at, command, 5, socket right, sin%d1, receive syn, and, when you receive an XFR and you are not connected to the MSN server it means redirect to another server. If TMP equals XFR and not connected then begin TMP equals word at, command, 4, fsocket.close, delete, tmp, pos, tmp, length, tmp, fsocket.address equals tmp, tmp equals word at, command, 4, delete, tmp, 1, pos, tmp, fsocket.port equals tmp, fsocket.connect, exit, and rename friendly name. If tmp equals rea, then begin friendly username equals word at, command, 5, friendly username equals string replace, friendly username, %20, rf replace eel, trigger friendly name change, and the out command is received before the server disconnects us. If it's because we've logged in another machine we receive the message out auth, other machine, todo write some event or something to retrieve this notification. If tmp equals out, then begin if pos, auth, command, 1 then log right, logged out in another computer disconnecting, and sin is without a doubt the most information-full MSN Messenger command. Sin informs us of available email friend list block list reverse list, people that has you in their lists, phone numbers, home, mobile, etc. MSN Messenger settings etc. However, this comes with a price. Since there is so much information, WSocket may not get all the info properly, a quality of non-blocking sockets. Thus, in order to get it, we will freeze this thread for 5 seconds, meaning your forms will not receive any message and seem unresponsive for a while. I know there must be a better way around. If somebody knows, email me. Todo, parse the received content. Todo, look for a way which does not have to freeze the thread. Procedure tmsn messenger.receive syn var tmp string begin fsocket.on data available equals nil sleep 5000 tmp equals fsocket.receive str fsocket.on data available equals socket data available tmp equals utf8 to ANSI tmp log write recv plus tmp socket write change %dnln and procedure tmsn messenger.send ver begin socket write ver %dcvr0 msnp5 msnp6 msnp7 and procedure tmsn messenger.set friendly username const value string var tmp string begin if fconnected and username value, then begin tmp equals string replace value %20 rf replace all tmp equals ANSI to utf8 tmp socket write rea %d plus username plus tmp and procedure tmsn messenger.set host const value string begin if not connected, then if fsocket.address value, then fsocket.address equals value and procedure tmsn messenger.set password const value string begin if not connected, then if fpassword value, then fpassword equals value and procedure tmsn messenger.set port const value string begin if not connected, then if fsocket.port value, then fsocket.port equals value and procedure tmsn messenger.set state const value tusser state begin if fconnected, then if fstate value, then socket write real state value and procedure tmsn messenger.set username const value string begin if not fconnected, then if username value, then username equals value and procedure MSN Messenger.socket connect, sender, object, error, word, begin f trial id equals 1, send ver, and procedure MSN Messenger.socket data available, sender, object, error, word, var tmp, string, begin tmp equals fsocket.receive str, tmp equals utf8 to ANSI, tmp, log write, recv, plus tmp, process command, tmp, and procedure MSN Messenger.socket disconnect, sender, object, error, word, begin f connected equals false, log write, disconnected, and procedure MSN Messenger.socket write, const a string, begin fsocket.send str, format, a string, f trial id, plus number 13 plus number 10, log write, sent, plus format, a string, f trial id, inc, f trial id, and procedure MSN Messenger.trigger friendly name change, begin if assigned, f friendly name change, then f friendly name change, self, and end. A sample would be AMSN equals TMSN Messenger.create, self, //AMSN is a variable of type TMSN Messenger AMSN.username equals, // this indicates the username which should always be of form * at hotmail.com amsn.password equals // this indicates the password amsn.log equals memo1.lines, // log indicates a destination to dump the received and sent information. I use it for retrieving protocol information and stuff, but it is not obligatory to use it. amsn.login, // procedure which indicates that we should start the login process.